So this Euro Yen analysis for Monday the 16th of April. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So we saw this move up here on the Euro Yen. We've had prices come down to test at 32.02. Trade slightly below 32.02. Didn't quite get down to a horizontal level of 31.70, from which we've seen the prices head up towards that 32.83 level previously identified, that we could potentially see some sell side momentum, and that's pretty much what we saw. So in around the level previously identified, in around 32.83, we did see sell side momentum take us back below this 32.44. Came pretty close to coming down towards that 32.02, but we are seeing some bullish buy side momentum return to the market just here where we are. Ideally, we'd like for price to head down towards that 32.02. But from this bullish buy side momentum, we'll look to see if we can hold on to 32.44. Successful break from which we're looking for prices retest our most recent swing here in around 32.83. If we do break to the upside in continuation of this trend, which has been to the upside, if we do see the continuation to the upside, we're looking for price to head up towards that 33.45. Now, in around 33.45, again, we could potentially see sell side resistance return to the market. Sell side momentum return to the market and see prices retrace back down towards that 32.83. But if we do break above and hold 33.45, the very next major level that we are looking at is a move up towards that 134 level. Major level marked out here in red, in around that 134. I wouldn't anticipate prices moving up towards that 134.50. I would expect 134 to be the 134 to be the far end of the range here to the upside. Similarly, if we were to see a breakdown from where we are at present, just bear with me a second here. So if we were to see a breakdown from where we are at present, we were looking to see if we do hold support at 32.02 for potential bullish bounce up towards that 32.44. If we do break down beyond the 32.02, we're then looking for prices to head down towards this major horizontal level of the 31.70. In around 31.70, major level marks out here in red. We do have the 200 period moving average, thus increasing likelihood of seeing bullish buy side momentum returning to 32.02. If we do break it down from 31.70, we're then looking for prices to head down towards that 31.20, where we do have the 400 period moving average. It would be a minor level, but more important to us would be a move down towards that 30.94. Again, looking for a potential bullish bounce from that 30.94. Wouldn't anticipate prices moving beyond 30.94, but if we did see later on in the week a move beyond 30.94, we're looking for price head down towards that 30.60. Major level marked out here in red. Major horizontal level here marked out in red on Euro Yen. Now we'll have a look at the monthly chart before weekly and daily before wrapping up here. So on this monthly chart, we can see we've had this strong move to the upside, a pretty strong pullback candle here, which was to be expected. We did see these candles becoming increasingly smaller, suggesting that the momentum was petering out somewhat. We had a bit of a pullback, and we are seeing the immediate buy side momentum. So we've not seen the follow through to the downside. So there is a potential to retrace this entire candle and continue this uptrend that we have seen in the Euro Yen. On a weekly time frame, it will be something similar, I think. The pullback looks a lot sharper on a weekly time frame. So we have our lows, higher low. Strong move here to the upside, sharp sell off back down towards this 200 period moving average here on the weekly time frame. 200 period moving average back down here on the weekly time frame, from which we are seeing that bullish buy side momentum come into the market. So there remains a possibility of seeing a retracement before seeing the upwards continuation to retest our old highs here on the Euro Yen. And on the daily chart, we can see here we've had the sell-off. We did mention a potential inverted head and shoulders pattern, shoulder, head, shoulder, and it playing out to the upside while being aware of the 200 period moving average potentially acting as resistance. And we are seeing it play out. We've had a pullback down towards the 200 period moving average from above. We do appear to have held their support. So if we do see the momentum follow through, this inverted head and shoulders will continue to play itself out in a reversal pattern towards the upside, and a move up towards a 134, 135.60 and 136.38 may just come into focus if we do see the bullish momentum maintain itself. With that said, that wraps up the Euro Yen analysis. Thanks for watching.